Hello, welcome to this video. Today in this video I will give you 5 Windows hack, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10. First is very useful hack. This is a hack for you to have all your applications in one place. This hack is very useful. Stay tuned to my video. I will give these I will tell you. First of all, you check here and then you create a new folder, and now I have that description. I have tell you this code, and then you have to copy it and then paste in that file extension in the renaming, by renaming and adding that extension. That code will be after, before bracket there will be a dot, like an extension like an image dot jpeg jpg, and then you click this, and here you see all my applications are at one place, and I came to know which are installed in my PC. uh, then this is personalized lock screen. Very easy, very easy. This trick is very easy. You can skip if you know, but I will not take time. Here you can come like following my video, and here you can change any of the background. And now this is very good trick, and it will be very useful to you. You will create another folder here the same way you did before, and then you will rename it. Like I will do it a hacker mod, or some you can you can name it. So then you will paste this code that I have give you in description, and then the same you have done in previous, you will place a dot before that bracket, and after renaming, you can select renaming or click on it and rename, and then you will click it. Here you can see, guys, check this out, here you can check. Here you have all available, options, windows, tweaks, actions, and links to many settings, and all these tweaks are organized and well placed in a collection. So this is also useful trick. And other useful trick that I will tell you which is also useful. It is shutdown timer. I have a separate video for this, in which I have give 3 tricks methods to do this, but this is the most useful. First of all, you will paste repeat. I will check it out. I have already made it. I will copy that, and now I will paste it here in location box, and then I will click next and next to finish. Okay. Here you can check. This is the shortcut for a timer that will be of 72 seconds. 7200 seconds means 2 hours. Now after that, I will tell you how to change icon. This is also, many people don't know how to change icons. You can change any from here, this setting. Now at last, I will give you another trick that is useful for you. If you are regular window user, then you might probably know it, but if you are a newbie, then you should know this. Control plus R plus delete I have pressed, and I have I will have a task manager, and I go details, and this is end process tree and task. This is very useful for if you are in trouble in Windows and want to close some processes.